Hello, my name is Irina Bartell.
Hi, and my name is Stephen Bartell.
Welcome to our old new house. So we originally purchased this house in 2006 before we were married, and it was cute and small, and that's all we needed. We never thought that we were gonna stay here for forever now. We thought it was a good starter home, and it was, as you will see from the slideshow, it was small. It was bigger inside actually than it looks from the curb picture. It was 3 levels. It had a walkout basement in the back. And as we loved it, but as we started having kids and dogs and everything else, we kind of ran out of space. And instead of buying a new house, we decided to renovate because we just loved the area so much. We loved our streets and neighbors. And so that seemed like the most logical choice, I think. And so.
Well, what was very important to us is in remodeling the house, we basically doubled the square footage. We wanted to make it a green home. That's very important to us. We wanted to make sure for energy purposes, energy efficiency, solar, even sustainable resources like the wood products. We wanted them all from sustainable sources. So the Green Home program is something that we're really excited that Arlington County provides. It was a pleasure working with you, Helen, and coming out to our house during construction and helping us understand different options and post-construction. And we're really, really glad that we made our house a green home, and maybe we should take a look at some of the pictures now. And so
there we go.
Our house was designed. Our house was designed by Paula Amadeo from Paula One Design Studio, and our contractor was Jorge Juvenal from J&J Construction. We are very, very pleased with having worked with both of them. We had a great team. And then, of course, you participated occasionally, gave us some tips on making our house a green home choice. We're excited that we made the gold level for Green Home. We worked hard for it.
We did work hard for every point. And it definitely, to mention, it did cost a little bit extra money and it was a little extra effort, but it was definitely worth it. As you will see later in the slideshow, some of the installation choices that we had to make in order to be green, it really gave us, I mean, all that extra money spent, it definitely comes back to you, because right now we're paying the same in our electric bills basically as we used to pay for our old house. But now it's twice as big, so that definitely speaks a lot, I think, of the just the new way and the insulation and everything. Yeah, that's our old house.
Yeah, and it was built in 1945. Was not insulated very well, but it was a three level house, which is not really apparent here. And
so we just ended up basically building an addition, which was like a whole new separate house on the right.
On the side, and we bumped out the back a little bit. So this shows the construction. We have a very open house, vaulted ceiling, and even though it's so open, the temperature control, the comfort level is excellent. The builder and the architects did a great job.
And we have 2 zones. Sorry, yeah, we have 2 zones also that helps control the temperature as far as the basement goes and the attic. And the insulation.
And this shows that it was important to us to use the greenest type of insulation that we could.
Spray foam.
And spray foam for the ceiling, we'll see in just a moment. And there's the spray foam on the right, which really works great for the winter and summer. We've been in the house about 1.5 years now, and we know it's just really comfortable. The green board on the left, you can see the seams are all taped up. That prevents air from escaping. That was a great decision. And the dumpster there reminds me that it was important that our contractor took the dumpster to a facility that recycled and separated all of the construction waste. And this shows we have a rooftop deck that we love very much. And we have the LED lighting. All of our lights are on dimmers. Our water are all on high efficiency, low flow. And yeah, and that just shows the house there. And this still shows the house.
It's very open and spacious now. Very different from our old house. Those are solar panels there for a second.
Yeah,
we have about 12 panels.
We're making about 200 to 500 kilowatts per month, depending on the time of year. And that is our house.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.